Hello, I'm Nancy, and I'm going to cook something vegetarian today because today is Tuesday and I'm vegetarian. And I've cooked already a pot of steamed rice, which I've mixed with a little bit of parboiled rice and Thai jasmine rice, the two mixed together. One is a white rice and one is parboiled, which has more multivitamins in it of the B category. Right. Now I'm just having a very simple curry paste in my pot. Hope you can see from here. Some simple curry paste, and I've added in the quiet sweetheart, some a new type of soy creamy cooking milk. It's a soy creamy cooking milk which you can find in supermarkets. So I've just put in the curry paste, 1 can of the milk plus 1 can of water. Now switch on the heat, bring it high, and I'm just going to put in here is the gluten. Some of you are allergic to gluten, so please check out with your doctor before you take gluten. I've pre-soaked this gluten in water so they have plump up. You can't eat now, darling, it's not cooked yet. Oh, in the pot, sweetheart. Oh my god. Snowy, just be quiet. Just because I'm talking, I'm not talking to anyone. I'm talking to camera. Camera, Snowy. No scratching now. Then what I have here is tempeh. Tempeh. You will see in one of my recipes on the cooking video. I've used this in the white coconut curry, I think. Now, this is full of protein, invented by the Japanese. Now, put that to the boil, bring it to the boil. Then, I add in my eggplant, which I've cut crisscross, pre-soak it in salt water to remove all the toxic. Throw it in the pan. I cut a slit too, a slit like that, so it cook faster. So all the eggplant and beans. These are French beans, which I've tailed, and throw it all in. So simple. Give it one simple stir. Oops, sorry. My camera. I kicked the stand. Right. Put it all in the pot. Give it a good stir at the bottom too, to make sure the curry paste is mixed well. Okay. Now I can smell a beautiful smell coming out. I'm using a pressure cooker to speed up my cooking, so I just cover the pressure cooker. You can buy all sorts of pressure cooker in the market to your own taste and your budget and the size as well. So I just lock it in and wait for it to sing before I cover up with my little safety catch. Okay, so I let this cook and let it whistle for some time while I take Snowy away. Snowy, you have to go home. You're a good boy. You want some cashew? You want some cashew? Or you want chippy? Cashew. Oh my god, this bottle is cracked. Yeah. Nice cashew. Oh, you lucky boy, you dropped the cashew. You just worried mommy talking to someone, is it? Huh? Right, this is all pretty boring, waiting for it to cook. You all know what a pressure cooker looks like. And when it's cooked, I will serve it on a dish, and I will put it on my food blog, so you can see the photos on the food blog, which is nancyscookbook.com.au. Okay, bye. And Snow is too noisy. Bye, and thank you for watching Cooking with Nancy. Right? Bye bye.